Hi guys, Miss Herbert here for Math Time. Today we're going to talk about different forms of numbers and representing numbers in different ways. You can watch our other video about how to fill out a Frayer model sheet where you represent numbers in all different forms. So you represent numbers in expanded, standard, written, and you draw it using place value blocks. So if you need that video, go to YouTube, look under the math videos, and look for representing numbers in different ways. This video is going to explain how to do our game called Eliminate It, where you look at numbers that are represented different ways. Okay, so I want to start by playing a little game with you. And this game is called Which One of These Is Not Like the Others? So there's an old game from a long time ago, and there's actually a song. I'm not going to sing it because I'm a horrible singer, but you can click on it in the Seesaw activity and you can see Sesame Street talk about which one of these things is not like the others. Today we're going to play the game together here. Let's look. We've got cookies, a cake, broccoli, and ice cream. Which one of these things is not like the other? Let's see. Oh, I've got an idea. I know how I can explain this. I think that broccoli is not one of these items. And my thinking is that this is a dessert. And this is a dessert. And this is a dessert. So ice cream, cake, and cookies are all desserts. Those are all like each other. But broccoli, that's not the same. I would not eat that as dessert. Maybe you would. Not me. Let's look at the next one. Which one of these is not like the other? Well, I'm a little confused because they're all flowers, right? So they're all the same. Is one of them different? Wait a second. What if we counted the flowers? Let's look. I've got one flower there. I've got one flower in that picture, and I've got one flower in this picture. But this picture right here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers. Oh my goodness. This one is not like the others because that one has 8 and they don't have the same value. There's only one in each of these other pictures, so they're not alike. I have found the one that is different and I'm going to eliminate it. All right, so let's go to our math game that you're going to see in Seesaw today. In Seesaw today, you're going to see an activity called Eliminate It. You can play this game by trying to figure out which one does not belong. So let's look and see if we can figure that out. Well, just by looking, it's pretty hard to figure out. I think we better use some strategies. Let's look. My strategy for today, I am going to decide what the value is for each square. So the value of 62 is 62. That's written in standard form, so I don't need to really do anything. Let's look at this one, B. What could our value be? I see some 10 frames filled up here. Well, I could count each dot, but that would take a long time. I already know that this right here is called a 10 frame, and if it's full, I know it's worth 10. So I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, this one's not full, so I need to count by ones. So I've got 60, 61, 62, 62. Oh, look, this has the same value as box A. So those two are the same. Don't want to eliminate them. Let's look at this. Ooh, there's a number that's stretched out into expanded form. So let's put it back. Let's compose it back to standard form. Let's see here. I've got 60. So 6 is in my tens place. 0 is in my ones place. So I've got 6 goes in my tens place because the value of 60. 2 goes in my ones place. My ones and my tens. So I'm going to write a 2 for my ones place. 60 plus 2 is the same as 62. Oh, look, it's also got the same value as box A and box B. They are all the same. So that means this one is definitely different, right? You're right. I got to show my work. Even if it comes down to the last one, make sure you still show your work. So let's count. What are these things? These are cubes stacked up on top of each other into a tin rod. So when we make a stack and turn it into a tin rod, it's worth tens. And remember, we want to count it quickly and efficiently. So the easiest way to do that is count by tens. Let's do that together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. This one is only worth 52. So I know that I can get rid of it. I'm going to exit out. That's the one I eliminate. So today on your game, you're going to go through and you are going to eliminate the ones that are not the same. Okay? So I'm going to show you quickly on Seesaw where you go to get that activity. Okay? So when you go to your Seesaw account, under your Activities tab, you're going to see Eliminate. And when you click on it to add your response, you're going to see, you're going to see the different things you can do, okay? So you're going to click on it right there, and you're going to be able to go through, and you're going to be able to solve all those yourself, okay? All right, have fun doing your Eliminate activity, and I can't wait to see what you do.